Welcome to the Celebrity Whitening Training video, where we're going to demonstrate to you how to whiten a client's teeth. With the Celebrity Whitening in-chair system, your client can expect to achieve 5 to 14 shades lighter in less than 1 hour. When making a booking, ask your client to clean their teeth prior to their appointment. It's important to have a consultation with your client prior to their treatment. You'll need to ensure that the client has the right expectations and that also they're eligible for a teeth whitening treatment. Ask your client if they've been using a home teeth whitening treatment or whitening toothpaste, or if they've had an in-chair treatment in the last 6 to 12 months, as all of these things can reduce the results. Teeth whitening is not suitable for people who are suffering from any dental complaints. Do not have a teeth whitening treatment if you have exposed nerves, untreated cavities, gum disease, or any other dental condition causing you pain or irritation. We recommend teeth whitening for people of 16 years or over. We do not recommend teeth whitening for pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers. Your client must read and sign the client consent form prior to their treatment. Begin by working with your client to select their current teeth shade, using the darkest tooth and using a well-lit area. Present your client with their teeth whitening kit. During the entire procedure, you must not touch your client or your client's mouth. We're going to show you how to work with your client to demonstrate everything your client needs to do throughout the entire process. Begin with the bib. The bib must be worn matte, absorbent side up and tied behind the neck. Show your client how to insert the cheek retractor using the demo model. Ensure you've had plenty of practice at this so you're confident when demonstrating to your clients. Pay close attention to this example and ensure the larger flanges go inside the mouth. We want to create a nice dry surface for applying the gel, so have your client use the oral brush up with the blue side towards their teeth to wipe until any saliva has been removed. Now we're going to show your client how to apply the gel. Begin by opening the pen and twisting the bottom until a small gel ball appears at the top of the brush. Hand the gel pen to your client as they are now ready to apply. Explain to them to do one tooth at a time, making sure they go right up to the gum line. It's also important to make sure that the area in between the teeth is done thoroughly. Watch as your client does this and check to ensure they have thoroughly covered all the teeth and that the gel is fairly even. It's also good to have a look and make sure that they haven't got any gel on their gums. If they have, hand them one of the vitamin E swabs and ask them to use the end with the red line just to remove any excess gel. Hand your client the red safety glasses. It's important to ensure your client is wearing the safety glasses during the entire time the LED lamp is in use. Now recline your client and place the accelerator lamp in front of their mouth about 5 centimeters away. You can now set the timer for 20 minutes. Inform your client that if they should experience any pain or excess sensitivity to let you know immediately. If this occurs, discontinue the treatment and have your client rinse immediately. Have your client consult their dentist if any pain or irritation occurs after the treatment. When your client's 20 minutes is up, have them sit up and give them a glass of water so they can rinse and remove all the gel from their teeth. If a sink is not available, you might want to provide a disposable spit cup for your client to use. Repeat the treatment process for another 20 minutes. Vitamin E swabs are provided in the kit for use on irritated gums or dry lips after the treatment. Simply break the swab at the red line and allow the vitamin E oil to drain into the other end, ready for use. You can now work with your client again to see what their new teeth shade is. They should have experienced between 5 and 14 shades lighter, depending on how long it's been since they've had a treatment or the whitening treatments they were using at home. Please ensure that when you're doing the before and after, that you use the same lit area. Your client is now ready to admire their new, whiter, brighter smile. Explain to your client that certain foods and beverages will need to be avoided for the rest of the day, as teeth will re-stain much easier after the treatment. The things to avoid are coffee, tea, red wine, curries, colas, basically anything that would stain a white shirt. Keep to light-coloured foods, and if you must consume other beverages, please do so through a straw. Your client can now show their beautiful, white, bright smile to the world. And don't forget, ask your client if they'd like to purchase a take-home kit to keep their bright white smile. This video was proudly brought to you by Celebrity Whitening, and thank you for watching.